Hello, I'm Murray Newlands. Welcome to another episode of Performance Marketing Insider TV. Today I'm with Oliver Roup, the CEO of VigLink. Oliver, you guys do a link monetization. You've just announced the release of your link wrapper product. Tell me more about that.
Well, we've always done a great job monetizing links for bloggers in their blogs, in their forums, but we had a lot of requests from bloggers to help them publish links to LinkedIn, to Twitter, to Facebook, and so Link Wrapper is a tool to do just that. Makes it really easy to publish our links into all those social tools, and just like the rest of our products, if a user clicks through and buys something, the blogger gets paid.
So how do publishers use this in Angle? What have you seen as some great case studies and ways to really integrate this?
Well, I find when users tweet about their latest product they like, the iPhone 5 came out a few weeks ago, and users were tweeting the link to the new iPhone 5. If they had wrapped it, and there were some bloggers who did wrap it in our link wrapper first, then when they publish, if someone clicks through and buys it, they get a commission. And of course, link shorteners have a bunch of features for tracking and knowing how many clicks you got, and so we make it easy to work with great link shorteners like TinyURL and Bitly.
Now, I know this is newly out, but do you have any statistics around the kind of revenue that publishers are seeing from this?
I'd say it's a little early to do that incrementally. The revenue flows, sort of a week or two later in large number, and so it's hard to say, but it's definitely been a real uplift for people who use it. I'd say it matters a lot that what you're tweeting about or Facebooking about is topical, relevant to your audience. Certainly spam does not get any revenue. Largely merchants pay on a CPA basis, meaning you only get paid if someone buys something. So definitely make sure your content is on target and relevant to your audience.
What types of publishers are seeing success with this? Are there particular verticals or particular types of content nature?
Well, our three strongest verticals are automotive, consumer electronics, and fashion. I'd say fashion is probably seeing, it certainly had the largest demand for us to release the feature. They asked for it the most, and I think there just seems to be the largest culture of tweeting things you like in the fashion vertical rather than consumer electronics and automotive.
Interesting. And is this just in the US or is this global?
It's definitely global. Obviously our strongest coverage is in the English-speaking world. We have not yet, we certainly have lots of coverage in the non-English-speaking world, but our site is only in English, and that certainly steers our customers towards us who largely speak English. So I'd say we're, best coverage in the English-speaking world. We're certainly very strong in Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, and certainly Western Europe. We have great coverage, and we're definitely working to blow it out in Asia and Latin America.
What do you see as the kind of future of link monetization? You've gone from sites to then social because those sites have a big audience. Where do you see this going forward?
Well, I think the sort of upcoming development that you can expect to see is that link shorteners, no matter who clicks on them, they always go to the same place. And I think there's no reason that needs to be true. And you might find that users in Europe are interested in are more likely to buy from a European merchant than an American one. And so you could imagine a link shortener that sends different people to different places where it all feels like the right place, but it's Europeans get a different location than Americans. And I think you could look for something interesting in that regard from us soon.
Excellent. If people want to try this out, where do they find it?
Well, viglink.com is our site, and Link Wrapper is the product name. It's very clear from the tools menu. I'm also easy to contact. It's oliver@viglink.com.
Oliver, thank you very much.
Thank you, Murray.
I'm Murray Newlands. You're watching Performance Marketing Insider TV. I'll see you next time.